am extremely excited. I have looked forward to this day for 28 years. We're having a celebration of the duplex here being torn down. It's part of the integration project for the E.J. Roberts Mansion.
Paid big bucks for this brick. $50 at the auction, the SPA auction.
We auctioned off at Spokane Preservation Advocates the right to take a bite out of blight.
Watch it, here it is, Connor. Oh, man.
Happy to see it removed. I didn't like it when it was built, but anyway, we didn't own the property then. Since Mary has had it, I have taken quite an interest in it.
It's insane. It's crazy.
We're going to do some traditional landscaping. I have a landscape architect who has already drawn out plans, picking plantings that would have been typical of those at the turn of the century.
I just think that having an opportunity to take advantage of the real beauty that exists in this community is what we want to do down here.
Everybody loves a little destruction there.